Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to replace 3 buttons navigation and with the gestures on this device. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation and you want to use the gestures, and then all you have to do is to enter the settings, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. As you can see at the top of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on system navigation. And as you can see, of course, I've got gestures set, but if you've got the buttons, this is what you will see. Before we'll set the gestures, take a look at this button layout and button control. Basically here you can customize the buttons. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option of navigation, you can, for example, reorder the back button and the recents and manage the home button and use it for waking Google Assistant. So if you want to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation or just the gestures. Your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial and learn how to do it. If you want to, you can of course do it. I don't want to because I already know it. So of course I'll show it to you later on. So after setting the gestures, you can see that the 3 buttons navigation will immediately disappear. Instead, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. However, we can hide it. So if you're more into this aesthetic look, you can hide it just by tapping on the switcher and you will have nothing here. You can decide whether you want to feel the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention. You can still learn gestures, so you can go through it. Here we've got the sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you really need this sensitivity to be lower or higher. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, from the left or the right side, it does not really matter. As you can see, we'll have this arrow, and if you can see it, just release the finger from the left or from the right side. As you can see, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion will be quick and short, just like that, just like swipe it up. And if you want to open the recents, you have to repeat the gesture, however elongate it, so from the bottom to the center again, just like that. And now you can release the finger, and here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.